What's going on YouTube? It's your I'm not your boy. I go by the name J Pablo, but ladies call me the Douglas Master. So basically right now I'm going to Kimberley take care of some business. But it's a one of my vlog.
Even cut your hair. Even cut your hair. Yeah. And yeah, I'm accompanying him to Bayo Kabeli Transport Yard. So I'm sure this is the last time you're gonna see me on the vlog. It's all gonna be J-Pop. So yeah, enjoy the vlog.
When I win go my baby, oh do turn to feet never feel. Man don't be my niche, I will. Yami melanin, it's a deal. I'm some I'm chawezing away. Deva pelinyanga, you can. Anita Benanga, she's square. Chame jagos fune gangos in early. Chame jagos fune gangos in. Oh, Jesse, I'm down now, pale, pina. I'm shine your easy valley. I'm shine your easy valley. I'm shine your easy valley. When I win, go, man. When I win, go, man. Yeah, we going in a deep end. We going in a deep end. We going in a deep end. Shawty fine, I can never leave her. My desire. She told me she gon' ride, but I know that she gon' die. She calling me aura, but I'm smoking all the cash. I know Jalundize. I know Jalundize. I know Jalundize.
Now I'm here for no one alone. Gillies and now I'm here for no one to go. Get over me. I'm here for no go over me. I'm here for no walkie guy. And now I'm here for no one alone. Gillies and now I'm here for no one to go over me. I'm here for no go over me.
Good morning. We're going to breakfast before the fog. You are Kimberley Cocoa Pops type shit. Today is going to be a mess, I'm telling you guys.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Nah. Kabile. Keep breakfast right now. So ngoku uthenga amanzi. You know Kimberley, manza khona. Look alright. As we prepare for me namhlanje. You know it's a maza. So tsakwa until what's isilunga then? Until the wheels fall off, whatever. Okay. Uthenga amanzi. Stay with me. Got the water. But I'm going to vlog inside the shop. That's my friend. Look at his spice. Look at his spice. Come on, spicy. Spicy.
keep it peaceful as a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love it on me. I don't wanna die for them.
What's going on YouTube? Yesterday it was a Mazda, but it showed too much. When I was always seal, so right now, yeah, before sell the food, kuja kubalekile. So take a drink, type shit. Feel like after nje zolala, that's the end of the vlog. And so it was a Mazda, but I'm deep in the 8. Fuck. Alright, just calm down. Came back from the shop, so spoiling before Slab again. Team no rest. Sad. See on another vlog landela, I'm sure. So there's Pele level. I was running dog. But calm down. Skin look like Pepsi. Type shit. Calm down. There is showbiz, guys. Now I wish Benny Corn. Born in Holland, Benny Born.